Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your network may charge for SMS, iMessage and FaceTime. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open settings, scroll down, and as you can see here a message, type it. As you can see, I have activated my phone number on iMessage, so type it. As you can see, here is the check on phone number. That means I'm using phone number for the iMessage, so type on use email. As you can see, there are two emails, Apple ID, so give the Apple ID passcode, and sign in. Wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, email has been signed in the iMessage and FaceTime. So uncheck from the phone number, type on remove. As you can see, phone number has been removed and your iMessage has been activated on the email. Now you will not charge for the SMS and iMessage. That's it. If you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.